If alpha plus beta plus gamma equals pi radian by 2, prove that sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equals 1 minus 2 sin alpha sin beta sin gamma. Solution. Starting with the given conditions, alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to pi radian by 2. That implies alpha plus beta equals to pi radian by 2 minus gamma. In the same way, beta plus gamma will be equal to pi radian by 2 minus alpha, and alpha plus gamma will be equal to pi radian by 2 minus beta. Now, starting with LHS, we have sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Now, in this type of question of conditional trigonometry, we need the given terms in the form of sin C plus sin D or sin C minus sin D, but it is not in that form, it's square over here. So what to do? Let's multiply sin square alpha with 2 sin square alpha. To balance it, let's multiply with 1 by 2 also, so that 2 and 2 gets cancelled and will be balanced. Plus, in the same way, let's do the same over here. 1 by 2 into 2 sin square beta plus, let's leave same as it is. Why? यो solve गरिसके पछाडि, after solving these first two terms, we need to convert or change or apply the formula in such a way that there must be some common. Okay, so let's leave it for now. So 1 by 2 is common in both. 1 by 2, inside we have 2 sin square alpha. 2 sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 is taken common. 2 sin square beta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 beta. Here same as it is. Now there comes the question, how 2 sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Okay, we have a formula of multiple angles of trigonometric ratios. Cos 2 alpha equals 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. Let's exchange the position of cos 2 alpha and 2 sin square alpha. Minus 2 sin square alpha becomes 2 sin square alpha over here, and 1 is at the same place. Cos 2 alpha when goes to other side becomes minus cos 2 alpha. Hence 2 sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos 2 alpha. In the same way, if alpha is replaced by beta, then we get 2 sin square beta equals to 1 minus cos 2 beta. Okay, this is the multiple angle formula. Further, 1 by 2 same as it is. 1 plus 1 is 2. We have minus cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 beta. If minus is taken common, inside the bracket we get cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. Sin square alpha, let's write same as it is, or let's leave it for now. Now cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta is in the form of cos C plus cos D, which is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. In place of C we have 2 alpha, in place of D we have 2 beta. So by applying the formula, what do we get? This same as it is. Here we get 2 cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta divided by 2 into cos 2 alpha minus 2 beta divided by 2. Okay, further, let's open the bracket by multiplying with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 cos. If 2 is taken common, it will be cancelled with 2. The remaining is alpha plus beta into cos. If 2 is taken common, it will be cancelled. The remaining is alpha minus beta. 2 and 2 is cancelled. 2 and 2 is cancelled over here. So what's the remaining? 1 minus cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Okay, now here comes the trick. We finally got cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. Now we need to change this sin square gamma in such a way that there must be some common in between these two terms now. Okay, so how do we transform it? We know that alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta is pi radian by 2 minus gamma, right? So 1 minus cos, in place of alpha plus beta, pi radian by 2 minus gamma can be written into cos alpha minus beta. Okay, plus let's write sin square gamma same as it is, plus sin square gamma sin square gamma equals 1 minus, okay, cos pi written by 2 minus gamma can be written as sin gamma. Now the question comes out, pi value of pi radian is 180 degree, pi radian by 2 means 180 divided 2 equals to 90 degree. So cos pi radian by 2 minus gamma is in the form of cos 90 degree minus theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in place of theta we have gamma, so cos pi radian by 2 minus gamma becomes sin gamma. So 1 minus sin gamma into cos alpha plus alpha minus beta plus sin square gamma. See, now we have common. Taking minus sin gamma common, here we have cos alpha minus beta. If negative is taken common out of positive, the sign will be negative because minus times minus is plus. Out of sin square gamma, sin gamma is taken common, remaining is sin gamma equals to 1 minus sin gamma. Okay, further cos alpha minus beta minus sin gamma. Now it is in the form of cos c minus sin d. There is no such formula. यस्तो फर्मुला त छैन. सो अब के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि हामीले कन्भर्ट गर्नु पर्यो, एउटै टर्म्समा कन्भर्ट गर्नु पर्यो. cos alpha minus beta minus sin gamma can, in place of sin gamma, what we can write? We can write cos alpha plus beta. Okay, why भन्दाखेरि अघि पनि यहाँ गरेको है, cos alpha plus beta को ठाउँमा के आएको थियो, sin gamma. यहाँनिर यसरी प्रुभ गर्दा भयो. In this condition, taking cos on both sides, what do you get? Cos alpha plus beta equals to cos pi radian by 2 minus gamma. The value of pi radian by 2 means value of pi is 180 divided to it is 90 degree. Because of 90 degree, cos becomes sin and we have gamma over here. 90 minus gamma, it lies in the first quadrant. Okay, 0 to 90. So all the trigonometric ratios are positive. In the same way, sin gamma can be written, sin gamma can be written as cos alpha plus beta. Now it goes in the form of cos c minus cos t. Cos c minus cos t, which is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. In place of c we have alpha minus beta, in place of d we have alpha plus beta. So that gives us 1 minus sin alpha same as sin gamma same as it is. Here it becomes 2 sin c plus d, यानी कि alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta divided by 2. Here sin d minus c, मतलब alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta, but because of minus it becomes plus divided by 2. So plus beta minus beta, alpha minus alpha is cancelled. 1 minus सबै प्रोडक्ट फर्ममा छ, सो यो 2 अगाडि आयो. यहाँ छ sin gamma. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha, 2 and 2 is cancelled, remaining is sin alpha, into beta plus beta is 2 beta, 2 and 2 is cancelled, the remaining is sin beta. Arranging it, we get 1 minus 2 sin alpha sin beta sin gamma. That is our RHS, hence proved.